Whenever we have spare time, we usually watch movies we like. It might be in big cinema houses or in the comfort of our own homes through our television. In everything you watch, your emotions may naturally be moved. You may laugh or cry, but there are still a number of times that your mind will be filled with so many questions about what you watched. And then the big question is, do you really understand what you are watching? In reading stories and watching movies, we have to analyze the many elements that go with every story. These are the setting, plot, characters, style, theme, point of view, and tone. Understanding all of these may make you feel bombarded with so many problems. Today's lesson will help you out in better understanding three of the important elements of stories. This lesson's objective is for you to appraise the unity of plot, setting, and characterization in a material viewed to achieve the writer's purpose. To guide you in better understanding this, you have to bear in mind that the plot, setting, and characters should always achieve unity. Let us start with the first element, setting. The setting includes the time and place in which the story will be taking place. It includes locations, cities or countries or planets, era or age, time of day, and cultural milieu. Setting answers the questions where and when. Let us try this for example. This picture was taken from the movie Jurassic Park. The movie happened in Isla Nublar, where the dinosaurs were bred. Therefore, Isla Nublar is the setting of the movie. Now we move on to the second element, characters. This pertained to the people or sometimes animals or objects who are featured in a story. When we speak of characters, we also identify the good character or the protagonist and the character against him who is the antagonist. Knowing both of them is just like understanding the good and evil characters. For example, from the movie series Harry Potter, the lead character is Harry Potter himself. He is known to be good-natured and wise. Battling him is the evil wizard, Voldemort. Therefore, Harry Potter is the protagonist and Voldemort is the antagonist. The last element to discuss is the plot. This is the whole of the events of the story. This is the action, which includes dialogue, the part of the story that answers the question, what happened? In analyzing the plot deeper, we need to look into the Freytags Pyramid, which was devised by the German novelist Gustav Freytag in 1863. The Freytags Pyramid explains the 5 parts of the plot. They are the exposition, which is where the setting and the characters are introduced at the beginning of the story. Rising action, where the conflict is introduced. Climax, which is the highest point of every story. Falling action, where the consequences for the characters' actions are detailed. And resolution, which tells what happens after the conflict is resolved. In the movie Frozen 2, the plot also has 5 significant points according to Freytag's Pyramid. First, King Agnar told the story of the forest ruled by magical spirits of nature. Second, Elsa began hearing a voice that only she can hear, and woke up the spirits of the enchanted forest. Third, since Arendelle was in danger, Elsa and Anna went to the forest. Fourth, Elsa left Anna and faced the challenges of the enchanted forest alone. Lastly, Elsa triumphed over the challenges, leaving Arendelle safe once more. Gaining knowledge with the unity of the plot, setting, and characterization, you are now ready for a practice exercise. Watch the following video carefully. Then, answer the items that follow. Nature is spelled as Nature, but others spell it as Mother. Mother is how I am regarded. As a mother, I take care of you, my children. I feed you. I protect you. But as my child, how did you treat me? You cut my trees, denuded my forests, poisoned my air and my seas. You are slowly killing me. But I will gain back my strength. I will survive. I will live because I am nature. How about you? Can you live without me? Here are 5 comprehension items that you need to answer. Do a thumbs up if you think the statement is correct, and a thumbs down if it is not. The story is happening at present time. If your answer is a thumbs up, then you are correct. Next statement. Mother Nature is the antagonist in the video. What is your answer? If it's a thumbs down, that is right. Third statement. The people are destroying nature. If your answer is a thumbs up, then you are correct. Fourth statement. The climax is when nature is being destroyed. If it's a thumbs up, then you are correct again. Last statement. Mother Nature did not warn the people at the end of the video. If your answer is a thumbs down, then you got it correctly. If you were able to answer all the 5 items correctly, then you did a good job. To sum up everything that we have talked about in this lesson, let us always remember that setting affects the mood, it attracts the way a plot is delivered, and what the character will do. The character drives the story events. The plot directs the character. Don't forget, the plot, setting, and characters are united with one another and will make up one good story. So, the next time you watch a movie, don't make it a sleeping session. Turn it into a wonderful experience.
Do you want to know?